showers out and about. You're going to see a few showers right here in the IE. Also, a few showers starting to move through the basin this evening. A closer look at what we're dealing with. Again, not a whole lot of rain out there. These are sort of the leftovers from earlier today. You will see a few drops in the IE closer to Riverside along the 215 and the 15. And a closer look at Orange County. Just a few drops coming in. Closer to Foothill Ranch, actually getting a few drops to south of Mission Viejo and Laguna Niguel, getting a few drops as well, but pretty minimal at this hour. We are expecting to see more rain as we zoom out on radar. You're going to see the big picture showing you rain and snow to our north. Snow levels are still very high here in the Southland. We're yet to see any snow with this, but we are expecting to see more rain, scattered showers for the weekend, and another pretty healthy dose of rain coming our way toward the end of the weekend. So we're going to break down all of that coming up for you in a little bit. Rain total wise over the last 72 hours, just over half an inch in downtown. Same thing for Long Beach, Santa Monica at the airport, over an inch. And you'll see the high desert not really getting much rain at all. Lancaster just getting 1/100 of an inch. We'll have more on what to expect for your weekend and your work week in just a little bit. Sharon, back to you. Evelyn, absolutely gorgeous. So that's what's going on above the clouds. There's a few breaks in the clouds, but this looks a little different,
that shot?
Doesn't it? Right, I know. It's a completely different story over Catalina, where we've seen the most rain because a lot of the cells have been coming offshore and then translating onshore. Take a look right here. You'll see the casino right there. You'll see a little bit of low cloud cover and just looking pretty ominous in general out there. Temperature's not too bad. We're at 62 right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City, tracking just a few leftover drops. Nothing major at this point on radar, but we are looking at a few leftover showers from earlier today over the IE and over parts of Orange County as well. Again, just a few cells here and there, nothing too significant at this point. To our north, though, it's a very different story on radar. You're going to see rain. You're also looking at snow sitting to our north. Eventually, this will slide into our forecast as we head into the next couple of days here. But in the meantime, just expecting scattered showers. Rain totals for the last 72 hours look like this. Santa Monica at the airport did pretty good, got over an inch of rain there. Pasadena under half an inch, and Lancaster, the high desert, not doing very well at all, just coming in at 1/100 of an inch. You'll see a high surf advisory. We've been talking about the big waves. We're looking at sets up to even 15 feet off the LA County coastline, off the Santa Barbara County coastline a little further north. We're looking at sets up there up to 20 feet, so pretty impressive. You'll see this advisory is in effect through Sunday night, and for Orange County staying in effect through your Monday. Currently, your surf report looks a bit like this. We're looking at waves at about 6 feet, actually. These are your live reporting stations, so we've been fluctuating between 5 and 6. Looks like we're still between 5 and 6 for Orange County. 7 for Ventura County, fluctuating up to 8 near the harbor there, and about 4 feet along the LA County coastline right now. Other than that, expecting more scattered showers tonight, a chance of showers persisting through tomorrow with more rain on the way, a healthier dose by the time we head into your Sunday night and your Monday. And remember, high surf between 6 and 12 feet with sets up to even 15 feet in some spots off the LA County coastline. 65 degrees earlier today in downtown, so it's not too cool, but it is below average for this time of year, and we are keeping below average temperatures in the forecast with a chance of a shower or two tomorrow morning and even by the afternoon. We could see a little break in the clouds with a little sunshine out there tomorrow. Not looking too bad. Sunday night again, the bigger rain chance at this point. Futurecast is set for 10 o'clock. That's 10 o'clock tonight. We are looking at just a few showers. Then by midnight, it's getting a little drier out there. And by 5 a.m., looks like the majority of the rain is going to continue to sit to our north, closer to Point Conception and north of Point Conception. As we carry on through the 7 o'clock hour, that's 7 a.m. Saturday, that's tomorrow morning, things are looking pretty dry and continuing to look dry through the late morning hours. We're not ruling out the chance of a shower tomorrow, though, or tomorrow night. And again, Sunday night primarily into your Monday, looking like we could get a good chance there. Monday afternoon looking drier, and by Tuesday and Wednesday, a much drier, warmer, and clearer forecast. Back to you.
Right now.
Yeah, every day it's been 1 down, 2 to go, 2 down, 1 to go, right? So yes, we do have 1 to go. Sharon, you are right. We are done with number 2, almost. You're just going to see a few leftover showers. Earlier today, we did get a few good downpours. Not the case right now. You'll see some scattered showers over the IE, closer to Paris, Riverside, closer to Yucaipa as well, but very minimal at this point. Again, just a few showers. And for Orange County, things are starting to dry out. We did see a few showers earlier. Now things are a little calmer. summer. Different story, though, as we zoom out on radar. You're looking at rain and snow to our north. Eventually, it's going to slide into our forecast here in Southern California, but until then, a little bit of a lull. You'll see a high surf advisory in effect through Sunday at 10 o'clock for the LA County coastline, through Monday for the Orange County coastline, and also looking at a high surf advisory for the Ventura County coastline, expecting waves up to even 15 feet off the coast. So pretty impressive there. And I will tell you, further north, up in Santa Barbara, we're expecting sets up there possibly close to even 20 feet. So large westerly swell coming in, and that's the reason behind the high surf. Scattered showers tonight, a chance of showers tomorrow, rain Sunday night through Monday, a better dose there. And remember, high surf still a concern through your Sunday and possibly through your Monday. Sharon, back to you.
All right. Radar and what we can see this weekend. Evelyn?
Rick, we're looking at a little bit of leftover rain out there, but we are bracing for more as we head toward the weekend. Earlier today, we did get a good soaking. At this point, just a few leftover showers, nothing major. Again, really just a few raindrops through the IE. And other than that, maybe seeing a few more scattered showers in the forecast overnight through tomorrow. We are bracing for that last round, though, and it should be coming our way by Sunday. You'll see radar showing you plenty of rain to our north, along with snow as well. And eventually that's going to translate into our forecast here in Southern California. For now, though, we're still eyeing that high surf advisory. It's in effect through Sunday at 10 o'clock for the LA County coastline. For the Orange County coastline, it stays in effect through Monday. We're expecting surf up to maybe even 20 feet to our north, along the LA County coastline up to 15 feet, and along the Orange County coastline around 10 to 12. We'll have more on the surf and, of course, the rain in just a little bit. Rick, back to you. Sharon, we're looking at a little bit of rain left over, but most of it's still sitting to our north, and we'll show you exactly what we're working with in just a minute. As we get a look right here, just a few raindrops. Again, it's so minimal for the IE right now, and just a tiny bit of a rain-snow mix. Very tiny, but just south of Wrightwood. Just want to show you that pink showing up right there. Just exciting because it's a mix, and we haven't really seen a lot of snow with the system. Why? Well, it's a very warm system, and it's really keeping snow levels quite high, above 7,500 feet, generally even 8,500 feet. We did see a little bit of snow in the Sierra. You'll see that right here on radar. Rain sitting to our north, and this is eventually sliding into our forecast. We're expecting some scattered showers over the next couple of days, and another more significant round of rain on the way late Sunday. We're going to break that all down for you coming up on Futurecast in just a little bit. But you'll see right here your watches and your warnings. A high surf advisory is in effect. It's been in effect, continuing to stay in effect through your Sunday night. By your Monday, still in effect for Orange County, for the LA County coastline, though just till Sunday, and same thing for the Ventura County coastline. We're expecting sets between 12 and 15 feet in some spots. So pretty impressive surf out there. So we're monitoring the surf and your weekend forecast with the rain. We'll have the details on all of it coming up in a little bit. Back to you.
All right, thanks.
Couldn't happen to a better family.
Yeah, I love seeing.
Really
so nice.
I love seeing people win a lot of money.
I know, right? But when you
Although
see really
secretly
good
you're going,
people,
I wish I won.
I don't know
Come
what I
on.
do. What would I don't even know what you do with $200 million at this point.
Oh, I do.
Okay,
No problem.
that's one shopping spree for you, I think.
Oh, shoot, no. Maybe, no.
travel around the world a few
Travel,
times.
yeah, a few hundred times. Have a
But the
house here,
fact that this
there.
family's donating, and
I think
that's
really
wonderful.
commendable.
Yep.
Yeah, love to
They're
see that.
terrific.
Yeah, so it's
All
great.
right, why are you
okay,
here?
why am I here? You tell me. Why am I here?
You're
Well,
here
there's
because-
the third part of a four-part storm.
No, almost.
Okay, there was the second part of the third
third
part.
part.
You know,
Three-part storm,
my
yes,
math.
yes,
I
that's
didn't
it.
pay attention in math class.
But I was actually pretty impressed that you
Sure.
you knew I was here. Third part of a three-part storm. So
Oh, we're on the third part
heading
now.
on. We're
Okay,
heading to the
okay.
third part.
Ah.
The second part's winding down. We're pretty much done with it, and we're not ruling out the chance of a scattered shower over the next couple of days. But again, it's not going to be that major, at least not for the next 24. We see most of the rain out of the picture. Just a little bit of rain to our north, to our east as well. As we zoom in a little bit, you'll see just a few showers closer to Wrightwood. But other than that, it is pretty dry out there for us this evening. Zooming out, we are seeing rain to our north and a tiny bit of snow. But for the most part, we are, again, keeping snow out of the forecast, at least for now. High surf advisory still in effect through 10 o'clock on Sunday for the LA County coastline, also in effect for the Ventura County coastline, and in effect through Monday for the Orange County coastline. We're expecting sets between 6 and 10 feet, possibly up to 12, and in some spots could even see that swell get up to about 15 feet. Pretty impressive. As we get a look at Futurecast, we're fast forwarding into the overnight hours here, and you're going to see just a little bit of rain sitting to our north. We're not ruling out the chance of rain in the forecast at all into the overnight morning, even the afternoon hours, but the model's really not showing much in the way of rain, at least for now, keeping the brunt of it over the central coast, over Kern County, up into northern California. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe a shower or two in the mountains. By 8 o'clock, maybe a shower offshore. Again, we're really not seeing a whole lot of it, even as we head into your Sunday. Again, still not ruling that chance as we head into your Sunday, but as we head into the later part of the day on Sunday, you're going to see rain starting to inch closer to the central coast at this point as we head into the afternoon hours, getting even closer to Southern California. And by the time we hit Sunday evening, it's getting close. We could start to see a few showers, and by Sunday night into your Monday, we're eyeing a pretty healthy chance of rain in the forecast. So for the valleys in the Inland Empire, you'll see showers in the forecast on and off. Again, very scattered, and at this point, it does look mostly dry, but we're leaving it in there just in case. Sunday into Monday, that chance does look better, and we're clearing out and warming up by your Tuesday and your Wednesday. We'll show you what it looks like at the basin, the beaches, and in the deserts. That's all coming up in a little bit. Rick and Sharon, back. And bracing for more rain as we head into the weekend. We'll have all the detail coming right up.
We'll probably be indoors for part of the weekend, you think?
Yeah, it's a good weekend to be indoors because it's going to be a little cooler and we could get a few scattered showers, and it could be a little gloomy out there, but we'll see a few rays of sunshine as well. So we'll tell you exactly what to expect on Futurecast. We want to take you to this shot of the casino, actually, on Catalina. And take a look. Time for Christmas. Already starting to light up there. So gorgeous shot for us. Catalina actually has done pretty well in terms of rainfall totals, over an inch. So offshore, we've seen a lot of rain, and along the coast as well, about an inch total. Last 72 hours, we have those rainfall totals coming up for you, and we're expecting to maybe get another 1/4 of an inch max. Not a whole lot of rain over the weekend. As we get a look right here, just a few showers to our north, just a few lingering showers over the mountains, over Wrightwood. But other than that, we're nice and dry this evening. So compared to where we were earlier, again, much drier. As we head into the next couple of days, though, remember, we're not ruling out the chance of a shower. There is rain sitting to our north, as you can see right here, and that eventually might translate into our forecast. Watches and warnings for you. We still have that high surf advisory. It's in effect through 10 o'clock on Sunday for the LA County coastline, and for the Orange County coastline, it's in effect through Monday. We're expecting waves possibly up to 15 feet offshore, so pretty impressive there. Futurecast set for 1 a.m., maybe a few overnight showers, not a whole lot, but we're not ruling it out of the question. Still a possibility in the morning hours, even though the models are keeping it mostly dry, keeping the rain to our north, Santa Barbara northward, north toward the central coast, toward San Luis Obispo County there, and Kern County as well. As we get a look at the 2 o'clock hour tomorrow afternoon, looking mostly dry, but remember, we're not ruling out the chance. By 3 o'clock, looks like we could catch a sprinkle or two, and by 9 o'clock, still looking mostly dry out there as well. So the model's really keeping things dry through your Sunday. Maybe a bit of drizzle, though, because we are seeing that cloud cover. By 4 a.m. on Sunday, still dry, but we are bracing for that chance of rain as we head into Sunday night. It's going to start to move into the forecast closer to Sunday evening by the afternoon, still sitting to our north, inching even closer by the 4 o'clock hour, by 6 o'clock, even closer. And again, Sunday, later Sunday into your Monday, we are expecting that chance with maybe a leftover shower or two by Monday, clearing out and warming up by your Tuesday and your Wednesday for the beaches. And one more 5-day forecast for you for the valleys in the Inland Empire. Same pattern, clearer and warmer conditions by your work week. Rick and Sharon, back to you.
How long 3's going to last, Evelyn?
All right, Lena. Well, 3 is on the way, and we're expecting it a little later in the weekend. Until then, just a few scattered showers when we're starting to dry out right now. We're getting a look at Long Beach this evening. As we do, a little bit of cloud cover out there, and eventually we could even see a bit of clearing. We saw some clearing earlier today. Actually saw a little sunshine for a change, just a tiny bit here and there. You'll see just a few showers. Again, it's very minimal at this point. We're tracking a few showers north of Point Conception, moving into Santa Barbara, but here at home, just literally a sprinkle or two. Take a look right here for the IE. Just a few showers up in the mountains, closer to Wrightwood, a few showers there. And other than that, we're just bracing for the next round. The Bay Area getting the worst of it. We're still seeing rain up there right now and a little bit of snow in the Sierra. And we're bracing for more rain here at home, but probably not getting here until the later part of the weekend. We're talking more Sunday night into early Monday. We do have a high surf advisory currently in effect. It's going to stay in effect through 10 o'clock on Sunday. That's 10 o'clock in the evening for the LA County coastline. For the Orange County coastline, staying in effect through Monday, and for the Ventura County coastline, also looking at a high surf advisory. We're looking at sets between 10 and 12 feet, maybe even up to 15 feet. And I will tell you, further north, up in Santa Barbara, we could potentially see swell up to 20 feet, so very impressive. So we will continue to track the surf for you, and of course we will continue to track the rain. That's all coming up in a little bit. Sylvia, back to you.
All right, thanks.
I was thinking about the mall, and then I thought, maybe not. Yeah, it's going to be pretty crowded. But you know what? It's going to be dry for the majority of the weekend. We'll just see a few showers here and there. So if you do want to make some plans, maybe not an outdoor mall, it's okay. You can do it. Bring an umbrella just in case, though, because the chance of a shower is not out of the question. We are bracing for another round of rain, but looks like it's going to hit a little later in the weekend. So we'll explain in just a minute. We're taking you outside to downtown. Plenty of cloud cover out there, mostly dry conditions, but those low clouds bringing in a little bit of drizzle. So it's going to stay slick out there. As we get a look outside right now on radar, you're going to see just a few drops left over closer to Wrightwood. And as we zoom out, really not a lot of rain for Southern California. The majority of it still sitting to our north and eventually sliding down into our forecast later in the weekend. We do have a high surf advisory. It's in effect through 10 o'clock Sunday for the LA County coastline, and also in effect for Orange County through Monday, and for the Ventura County coastline as well. Futurecast now set for 2 a.m., maybe a few sprinkles into the overnight hours, into about 4 a.m., 7 a.m., 9 a.m. There's still a chance of showers, but Futurecast really not showing up anything here at home. Most of it still sitting to our north, but remember, we're not ruling out the chance of a shower. And also, if we see some of that low cloud cover out there, which we've been seeing, we could see a little bit of drizzle produced from that. So as we head into tomorrow afternoon, not a whole lot of rain, but again, that chance still stands through the afternoon through Saturday night. And as we head into your Sunday, 1 a.m., dry, still dry by 4 a.m. But remember, there's rain to our north, so still keeping that chance of showers in the forecast even through your Sunday. But models, as you can see, really backing off. 1 o'clock on Sunday, maybe a few showers, but take a look. By the late afternoon into the evening hours, that rain is going to start to move into the forecast, and we are expecting that last round, that third and final round of rain to come in Sunday, last through Monday. By Tuesday and Wednesday, clearer, warmer, plenty of sunshine. For the deserts, 60s, eventually turning to the 70s by your Tuesday. By your Wednesday, a few clouds out there, and as we get a look at the beaches, showers. But remember, just a chance of a sprinkle or two over the next few days. We could see a little bit of sunshine and cloud cover, mix of both. By Monday, a leftover shower, and by Tuesday and Wednesday, clearing out and warming up. Lena and Sylvia, back to you.
All right, Ev.
And we're expecting more rain on the way for the weekend. We'll explain coming up.
Up there on the
Very
deck.
cool.
Okay. It puts you in the spirit.
That's
doesn't
right.
it?
Yeah.
From here on in,
Yeah.
we're going to have those kinds of stories, lots of them.
Yeah, we love
Yeah.
it. Very heartwarming, and it's just nice to hear this
Yeah,
time of year,
it is.
so.
And the weather is kind of matching.
It kind of is, right? It's starting to feel like,
Right.
I want to say December, and it's almost December.
Yep.
I mean,
We're
today is
almost
the
there.
30th, is that right?
Yes.
Tomorrow's the 1st.
There you go.
So 30-month day, yeah, or 30-day month.
It's a long day.
Speaking of the
Yeah, you
calendar,
count
no,
those.
anyway, I know, right? It's Friday. Gotta cut me a break. Okay, so yes, we are, and we haven't seen very cold temperatures, 61 degrees right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. As we take you to radar, just a few drops, really nothing to write home about rain-wise right now. To our north, though, we are dealing with a little more of it. As we zoom out a little bit, you're going to see over Northern California, we are dealing with that rain and a tiny bit of snow over the Sierra. Again, not a big snowmaker, more of a rainmaker, and again, we're not looking at a lot of rain whatsoever right now, but we are expecting the chance of a scattered shower tonight. That chance lasts through tomorrow and through Sunday afternoon, but the best chance of rain, that third storm we've been talking about, is heading our way Sunday night, and it should be lasting into your Monday. We're also looking at high surf. We've got advisories all up and down the coast, and surf could be from 6 feet to up to maybe even 15 feet, so pretty impressive there. Earlier today, we made it to 65 in downtown, average is 69. 88 was the record high, didn't get anywhere close to that. And tonight, we're in the upper 50s. Winds are calm, and there is a chance of showers. Again, that chance is still persisting through the morning hours and through the afternoon, but remember, it's not going to be a washout as we head into tomorrow and Sunday, but we could see more of that rain as we head into Sunday night and as we head into your Monday. Tuesday, we're clearer and warmer. Same thing for Wednesday. We're clearing out. We're warming up. We're looking at plenty of sunshine and temperatures back up into the 70s. A chance of a leftover shower, but Sunday into Monday, remember, that's our third storm that's entering the picture. Lena and Sylvia, back to you.
Down again, F.
Well, Rick and Sharon, it eventually will. Right now, it's actually pretty dry out there, even though we are looking at the cloud cover. But by the end of the weekend, things are going to change. So we'll time that all out for you coming up in a little bit. Radar showing you just a few drops out there. And to our north, we are dealing with more rain that could eventually translate into our forecast here in Southern California. You'll see a high surf advisory also in effect, still in effect, stays in effect through Sunday night. That's going to be for the LA County coastline for Orange County through Monday. We're also looking at that high surf along the Ventura County coastline as well. Expecting sets between maybe even 6 and 10 feet, 12 feet, and possibly up to even 15 feet off the LA County coastline. So that's pretty impressive. And just want to let you know, Santa Barbara, just off the coast there, we could see sets up to 20 feet. So the surf is very impressive as that westerly swell continues to come in toward our coastline. Your weather headline showing you maybe a chance of scattered showers tonight. Not a whole lot of activity out there, but we're not ruling out the chance. Same thing for tomorrow and Sunday afternoon, but by Sunday night into Monday, that's when things get moving again. We're expecting that third round of rain to make it into our forecast. We're going to be timing that all out on Futurecast in just a little bit. And remember, just a reminder, the high surf advisory in effect through Sunday and through Monday for the Orange County coastline. So use caution if you plan to be at the water or near the water. Rick, back to you. And bracing for showers and more rain on the way. We'll have the details coming up.
Great.
Yeah, I think it's great. It's like a new concept.
It's efficient.
Yeah.
And we like efficiency.
We do like
And we like
efficiency.
sushi too. So there we go. There's sushi there too. Efficiency and sushi, we're there. Okay, we've got rain this weekend. So if you want to go shopping at the new Walgreens or Target or wherever it may be, yeah, there we go. Exactly. It's a great weekend to do that. It's going to be dreary. It might not be too rainy, but we aren't ruling out the chance of a shower tomorrow and Sunday. But there is another chance of rain on the way later in the weekend. We'll get there in a minute. You'll see right here just a few showers to our north. Really looking at dry conditions here in the Southland. As we zoom out, you're going to see more rain in the northern portion of the state, Bay Area and northward. We are bracing for it, though. Sunday night will be the best chance at this point, and we'll play that out on Futurecast in a minute. You'll see a high surf advisory in effect, though, for the Ventura, LA, and Orange County coastlines lasting through Sunday night, but for Orange County lasting through Monday. What does it mean? We've got a big westerly swell moving in. We're looking at waves up to 10 feet, maybe even 12. Sets possibly even up to 15 off the LA County coastline. Very impressive there. Running you through Futurecast. It is mostly dry. We're keeping the majority of the rain to our north over the next 24 plus hours, but we're not ruling out the chance of a stray shower. So we could see a scattered shower, leaving the chance in the forecast for tomorrow, but models have really backed off of those chances, looking much drier than we originally anticipated, but we're still in for that third round of rain. Looks like it's going to come our way Sunday, but later in the day, closer to Sunday night. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still dry. By 6 o'clock in the evening, it's working its way in. And by 8 o'clock, looks like some of the mountains already starting to get hit. Through the Newhall Pass, we're starting to get just a few showers there. And we could plan on getting more as we head toward Sunday night, later into the overnight hours and into your Monday. Let's get a look at that 5-day forecast. We're going to start off with the valleys in the Inland Empire. Showers over the next few days, but remember, very sparse and scattered, if anything at all. Sunday night into Monday, a different story, and then by Monday morning, maybe a leftover shower, clearing out and warming up for everybody by Tuesday and your Wednesday. So for the Basin and Orange County, same thing goes. For the desert, 60s turning to 70s with more sunshine by your Tuesday, maybe a leftover shower by your Monday. For the beaches, 60s eventually turning to 70 by your Wednesday. And finally checking in with the mountains, we are expecting to see 40s with maybe a flurry. Other than that, we're drying out. Back to you.
All right.